Have you ever been in that frustrating situation? You need to send money to a friend, family member, or even a local small business, and you need it there now. Maybe you're splitting a dinner bill, chipping in for a group gift, or paying back a loan. You pull out your phone, open your banking app, and you're looking for that familiar Zelle button, only to find it's not there. Or worse, you remember the news, Zelle has changed. The standalone app is gone, and now you have to go through your bank. It's a common scenario, and frankly, it can be a bit of a headache. In an age where instant digital payments are the norm, suddenly being unable to send money quickly can throw a wrench in your plans. Maybe you're standing there awkwardly while your friends wait, or you're holding up a line at a local vendor who only accepts Zelle. The frustration builds, and you think, there has to be a way to make this easier, a way to connect my bank account directly to Zelle so I can get back to quick, seamless payments. Well, you're not alone in that thought. Millions of people rely on Zelle for their everyday transactions because of its speed and convenience. And with the recent changes, where Zelle has shifted its focus entirely to integration with financial institutions, knowing how to properly set it up through your bank's online banking platform is more crucial than ever. No more standalone app, no more workarounds, it's all about integrating directly with your trusted financial institution. The good news is, for many banks and credit unions, setting up Zelle through their online banking portal or mobile app is a straightforward process designed to be user-friendly. It's about leveraging the security and convenience of your existing banking relationship to power your peer-to-peer payments. But what if your bank is Patriot? What if you're a member of Patriot Federal Credit Union, and you're trying to figure out how to navigate this new landscape of Zelle integration? That's precisely what we're going to dive into today. We're going to walk through, step by step, the journey of setting up Zelle via Patriot Online Banking, or at least, the essential information you need to know as a Patriot member about Zelle in today's financial climate. Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly understand why Zelle moved away from its standalone app. This shift wasn't arbitrary, it was a strategic move to enhance security and streamline the user experience by bringing Zelle directly into the secure ecosystem of your bank. When you send money through Zelle within your bank's platform, you're benefiting from the same robust security measures that protect your entire banking relationship. This reduces the risk of fraud, simplifies transaction tracking, and generally makes for a more cohesive financial management experience. The core idea is this: your bank already knows who you are, it already has your account information, and it already has a secure line of communication with you. By integrating Zelle directly, they can leverage all of that existing infrastructure to provide a safer and more seamless payment service. It's about bringing all your financial tools under one roof, making it easier to manage your money without hopping between multiple apps and platforms. This integration also means that funds are transferred directly from your bank account to the recipient's bank account, typically within minutes, without holding funds in an intermediary wallet. This direct transfer model is a significant advantage of Zelle. Now, let's address the elephant in the room for Patriot Federal Credit Union members. You might be eagerly waiting for me to pull up the Patriot Online Banking portal and show you exactly where to click to enable Zelle. However, here's a crucial piece of information that, unfortunately, many Patriot Federal Credit Union members might not be aware of. As of my last update and according to Patriot Federal Credit Union's official communications, Patriot does not currently offer Zelle within their mobile or online banking platforms. Yes, you heard that right. This is a critical distinction that sets Patriot apart from many other banks and credit unions that do offer direct Zelle integration. Patriot Federal Credit Union has publicly stated that while they understand the popularity of Zelle, they have chosen not to integrate it into their online or mobile banking systems at this time. Their reasoning often revolves around concerns regarding fraud risks, liability issues, and a desire to maintain greater control over their members' financial security and the payment solutions they offer. This might come as a surprise, or even a disappointment, if you've been relying on the standalone Zelle app or if you've recently switched to Patriot and expected to find Zelle readily available. But it's vital information to have so you can manage your expectations and explore alternative solutions. So, if Patriot Federal Credit Union doesn't directly support Zelle within its online banking, what does this mean for you, the Patriot member who needs to send or receive money quickly? Does it mean you're out of luck and stuck with archaic payment methods? Absolutely not. It simply means you need to adjust your strategy and leverage other secure and convenient peer-to-peer, P2P, payment alternatives. Patriot Federal Credit Union itself recommends and supports the use of several other popular P2P platforms that can easily link to your Patriot account. Let's break down your options and how you can still achieve fast, secure money transfers as a Patriot member, even without direct Zelle integration. Understanding your alternatives, the P2P ecosystem. The world of digital payments is vast, and Zelle is just one player. There are several other robust and widely used peer-to-peer payment services that are designed to work independently of direct bank integration, while still allowing you to link your bank accounts or debit cards. These platforms act as intermediaries, facilitating transfers between users. Here are the primary alternatives Patriot Federal Credit Union suggests and how they generally work. Venmo. How it works: Venmo is incredibly popular, especially among younger demographics. You link your Patriot checking account or debit card to your Venmo profile. You can then send or request money from other Venmo users using their username, phone number, or email. The money typically sits in your Venmo balance until you choose to transfer it to your linked bank account. Standard transfers to your bank account are usually free and take 1 to 3 business days, while instant transfers, for a small fee, are available in minutes. Setup. Download the Venmo app from your App Store, Google Play Store, or Apple App Store. Create an account, providing your name, email, phone number, and a strong password. Link your Patriot Federal Credit Union account by selecting your bank or credit union from the list, or by entering your routing and account number. You can also link your Patriot debit card for faster verification. Verify your identity if prompted, which might involve linking a secondary bank account or providing additional personal information. Benefits: social features, optional, easy to split bills, widely used, instant transfers available. Considerations: Venmo balance isn't FDIC insured like a bank account. Only send money to people you know and trust. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.